Backstroke underway. Isabel Stanton, who we just spoke of in our introductions, your leader in 3. She was second in this event at NC2A a year ago. Mary Opera Malou in 5, the new Cal School record holder, low 49 at the Minnesota Invitational. So Stanton in her final 400 medley relay, letting it rip in 3. That's Faye Westria of UCLA in 4. Malou in 5, but it's Isabel Stanton, senior leadership. And Margot McDonald, another senior, in the water in 3. So Margot McDonald, after a career at Princeton, transferring for graduate work here at Cal, she is leading. But Leah Polonsky, who we introduced earlier, speedy IMer, freestyler, butterflyer, breaststroker, and you're seeing her breaststroke here. UCLA has Carolina Piestrovitz in 4. Heading toward the butterfly. Who is it in lane 3? It's the French Olympian Lila Wessencourt. In lane 3, in lane 5, it'll be Lizzie Cook. And in lane 4, it's Emma Harvey. So Bears and Bruins. California continuing to lead in lane 3. Lizzie Cook won the 100 fly yesterday. But it's Lila Wessencourt, an experienced butterflyer, very fine long course swimmer. Emma Harvey right there in 4. Anchor leg upcoming, who is it? Morgan Brophy goes in 3 for Cal. It'll be McKenna Stone bringing it home in lane 5. And Anna G. Schiff goes for the Bruins in 4. California pops up. Morgan Brophy letting it rip. Final 400 medley relay. Cal's best time this year is 3:29.60. Both of these teams fairly balanced in 3 and 5. UCLA in 4. So Brophy in 3, Stone in 5, G-Ship in 4. G-Ship moving up in 4 from California. 3:29.85. Just 2/10 off their best time, and